Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I carry inside this cute little bag. So if that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. This is the 1 liter Lululemon Fleece belt bag and it's in the color white opal gold. The fleece material is so soft and cozy. It's perfect for fall and winter. It gives a casual yet elevated vibe that's stylish and practical. This bag has an adjustable strap, so you can wear this as a belt bag or as a crossbody. And this is what the strap looks like. So it has this gold buckle here, and it's a champagne gold color. You can adjust this to fit your size. I like to wear mine as a crossbody. This is the beautiful gold hardware, and there's the logo. And then here's what the zipper pull looks like. I love the gold hardware with the white fleece. I think it's absolutely stunning. And in the back here, there's an outer zip pocket. And this is where I keep my cell phone. I'm currently filming with my phone. I have an iPhone 12 mini, but this is my older phone, and this is the iPhone S. So that fits back there. Okay, and let's turn it around and let me show you what I have inside. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let's start in the back here. I have a packet of tissues, a must for the colder weather. I have my key pouch here and I'm using this as my wallet. I love how slim it is. It carries all of my cards and cash. And I also have some coins inside. So there's that. And then I have a pepper spray. And that is everything in the back pocket there. Okay, next item, I have this lip oil here. This is from e.l.f. And this is in the color Jam Session. This is what it looks like. It's very moisturizing. Next, I have my AirPods here, and I have my car keys, and then attached to my car keys, I have a flashlight. This flashlight is very bright. Let me show you. And you can charge this flashlight. It has a USB-C port there. This is very useful. Next item, I have a pen. You always need a pen just in case. And then I have my EDC. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know I always bring an EDC with me. And this is my daily EDC. So in here I have this Tatcha serum stick. I've mentioned before that I have very dry skin and I love to apply this throughout the day. And it helps keep my skin hydrated and it's very nourishing. So there's that. And then in here, I also have some organic super greens. You just add this to water. I got this from Costco. This has a mixture of fruits and vegetables, and this is the mixed berry flavor. It's delicious and it'll keep you healthy. Next, I have a hair tie here. I have a lot of hair, so I definitely need a hair tie. I have a doggy poop bag, just in case I can't find a trash can or if I'm feeling nauseous. You never know. And then I have a nail polish remover pad. I have some meds here just in case. So in here I have some Imodium, Benadryl. I have some motion sickness meds. I have Bonine and Dramamine. And then I also have some Tylenol. So these are just in case. Next I have a panty liner here. And then I have a sewing kit. There's a $20 bill. I have some floss and some Colgate wisps and some eye drops here. And then I have some Truvia just in case I want to sweeten something from a cafe. I have this matcha. This is the organic ceremonial grade. This is from Jade Leaf. I love matcha, so I like to bring these with me. I have a baby wipe here. This is just made with sterilized water. This comes in handy if you are eating and you just want to wipe your hands. And then a Ricola. And then I have a comb here and my favorite electrolytes packet. This is the pink lemonade. This is the Ultima electrolytes mix. And then I have a Purell single hand sanitizer. And this is a basic first aid kit. So in here I have an alcohol prep pad, some different sized band-aids, and then triple antibiotic, burn cream, and first aid cream. There's that. And then I have more Ricola. I have this cute Burt's Bees chapstick. And then I have a nail cutter here. This is the Mr. Green nail cutter. And you just lift this part up. And this is what it looks like. And then you just close it up like this. There you go. And then last but not least, my favorite EDC tool. This is the Swiss card. And I've shown this plenty of times, but it has a nail filer, scissors. It has some screwdrivers here. It also has some tweezers. And then it has a nail here. And then there's a pen. And yes, this pen does write. And it has a toothpick, a magnifying glass, and then a ruler right here. In my other EDCs, I would carry these items individually, but since finding this, I love it, and I love how slim it is. And let's put everything back. That is my favorite EDC tool. And I believe it was around $40 on Amazon, but it's definitely worth it. I've used it so many times. Put this all back in here. I have a playlist of my EDCs. If you're interested in seeing that, I will put it in the description box down below, so you can check that out. Let's put these Ricolas back in here. And my super greens. All right, there we go. Let's see what else we have inside. So I have some gum here. And then in the slip pockets, I have my mirror. And then I have a hand sanitizer. And this is my favorite hand sanitizer from Amazon. This is the Be Clean Lavender Oil. It smells great and it's very moisturizing. And that is everything inside. So this is what it looks like. So it's the same configuration as the other Lululemon belt bags. So it has this large mesh pocket here and then two slip pockets in the front. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys that a water bottle does fit in here. This is a 500 ml. And that's what it looks like. And let's say you're going to run errands, so you need your wallet, you need your keys, and your phone, and a lip gloss. So you'll just pack it like that. And there you go. Okay, and let's say you want to travel with this bag. Let's take the water out. I want to show you that your passport does fit. It fits in the back pocket there, obviously in the main compartment, and it also fits in the back here. There you go. For a quick comparison here, this is my nylon belt bag, and this is also in the 1 liter. They are very similar in size, but as you can see, it does look like the Sherpa or the fleece bag is slightly larger, but they're both 1 liter, so they have the same capacity. The zipper on the nylon bag, I believe, is plastic, so it's much smoother than the fleece. The fleece one has a metal zipper, so it's not as smooth, but it does give you a luxe feel, and it's very heavy duty. They're both spot clean, and obviously with this, with it being a lighter color, I have to be more mindful. I will do a 1-year update just to show you how it's holding up. So between the two, I will say that this fleece is a little heavier than the nylon bag, and I think that's due to the metal hardware. but both are gorgeous. So let's put this aside. Let's put everything back in. Okay, let's put the phone back here. So do you guys have this fleece bag? I've been eyeing this bag for quite a while now, and when I saw that it went on sale a few days ago, I was so excited, so I snagged it before it could sell out. I believe it's still on sale for $29, and it's such a great price for this bag. If you guys are interested in it, I will link it in the description box down below. I was a little hesitant getting this color because I have pets. I have 2 cats and I have a German Shepherd. They're also known as the German Shedder because they shed a lot. But I couldn't get over how gorgeous it is. I just love the gold hardware and then the white fleece. Oh, there you go. Let's close that up. And then the back. And there it is. Okay, there you go, you guys. Let me know what you think down below. As always, links to everything are in the description box, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!